So in this video, you'll learn how to install Bluesky on your Android phone. So installing it is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply open the Play Store on your phone. Then you want to use the search function and you want to type in Bluesky, then search. You should see it listed in the search results, and you can see it even says Bluesky underneath, which means that you've gotten the correct app. So you want to tap on it to continue viewing the app details, and then you should see this install button. So you want to tap on install and then simply wait for it to be downloaded onto your Android phone. Once it's been downloaded, you want to tap on open to launch it. Then from here, you should see the Bluesky logo, and then you'll be taken to a page where it will prompt you to sign in or create an account. So from here, just follow any of those two options and you can start using Bluesky on your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.